Every cell in your body needs energy to do its job, whether it's a muscle cell helping you move or a brain cell helping you think. But where in your body is this energy produced? The energy used by each cell in your body is produced inside the cell by a tiny thing known as the mitochondria. Think of mitochondria as the tiny power stations inside your cells. The number of mitochondria inside a cell can vary from 0 to thousands. Not every cell in your body has the same number of mitochondria. It all comes down to energy demand. Red blood cells, for example, do not have any mitochondria. They're designed just to carry oxygen. But a single liver cell, constantly busy processing nutrients and toxins, can hold over 2,000 mitochondria. The number of mitochondria inside a cell is not fixed. It can change over time in response to changes in the cell's energy demand. Inside a cell, mitochondria can fuse together or split apart. This flexibility means that the cell doesn't have to build every new mitochondrion from scratch. It can remodel, grow, and divide existing ones very quickly when more are needed. When we exercise regularly, our muscles build more mitochondria, which boosts our stamina. And how long does it take to make new mitochondria? It's surprisingly quick, but not instant. In muscle tissue, for example, measurable increases in mitochondrial content can be seen after just a few exercise sessions, within 3 to 7 days. And here's a mind-blowing fact. Mitochondria were once independent bacteria, and that is why they have their own DNA, completely separate from yours. Mitochondrial DNA is not linear like your DNA. Rather, it is circular, just like bacterial DNA. Billions of years ago, a larger cell swallowed one of these bacteria. But instead of digesting it, they formed a partnership. The bacteria found a safe home, and the host cell gained a power plant for energy, a win-win that allowed complex life to evolve. Now let's take a peek inside a mitochondrion and see what it looks like. A mitochondrion has 2 layers, an outer membrane and a highly folded inner membrane called the cristae. Those folds aren't random. They massively increase the surface area, giving more space for chemical reactions that produce ATP. So how do mitochondria work? Your digestive system breaks down the food you eat into smaller molecules, mainly glucose from carbohydrates, fatty acids from fats, and amino acids from proteins. These molecules, along with the oxygen, travel through your bloodstream to reach cells all over your body. Inside the cell, mitochondria use glucose or fatty acids along with oxygen to produce ATP, the energy molecule. This ATP is used by the cell for all its activities, from muscle contraction to nerve signaling. Mitochondria may be microscopic, but they are, quite literally, the power behind life itself.